What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and before we start, let me tell you, I officially have a TikTok account now. You guys have been asking me to do one to show these quick videos, all these videos that I do on YouTube, also in a quicker format just for you to save some time. So feel free to check out my TikTok, link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now today we want to talk about this look right here, another Travis Scott edit. I know you love those Travis Scott edits, and I do too. And a lot of you guys requested this black and white look that he did in the studio. I think it's a really clean and really high quality looking black and white look, one that will really easily match your Instagram feed and keep it all harmonic in terms of coloring. So this black and white look can be the key to a harmonic Instagram feed. Now Mason, you sent me this picture right here, absolutely great at the tennis court. Really like the setting, really like that you put thought into that picture and made it work. Amazing shot. So we're gonna work with this and also with this right here, sent to me by Visual by Ray. Thank you so much for sending this in. Also a really high quality look. I like it a lot. Really professionally taken picture. The lighting is amazing. Great job right there. And you sent me this picture right here, straight out of the camera, unedited, I suppose. And this right here is what we're gonna be creating today. This really high quality Travis Scott inspired black and white look. And of course, we're only gonna use our smartphone and the free Lightroom app as usual. And also, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you don't want to toggle along to the whole tutorial and just quickly paste the look, the link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that once you buy it, you will be having new presets every week, or at the moment every day, because every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Now, of course, if you need anything else from me, if you have questions or you want to send me some of your pictures to edit on this YouTube channel, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. At Wommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and really excited to hear from you. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open that picture in the free Lightroom app. And we're just gonna go to light and curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. So just a really smooth S curve, and once you have this, we're done. Now we just wanna boost up the contrast a little bit to +15, pull down the highlights to -33 in this case, boost up the shadows to +28, and pull down the whites to -23, and pull down the blacks all the way to -41. Then we go over to color right here, and what we want to do is just pull down the saturation all the way to -100 to give it that black and white look. But then we go up and hit grading, and now we want to add a little bit of color tones, just really slight nuances. So we go to shadows and we boost up the hue to around 33 right there, that orange area, and the saturation up a little bit to around 5. For the midtones, we want to pull the hue all the way to around 50 right there, or 51, and the saturation up to around 13 in this case right here, to give it that kind of yellow tint. Then the highlights, in this case, we want to pull the hue to 73 right here to that, or 72 to that kind of green, almost yellow green area, and the saturation up to 10 right here. And then we're done with the grading. Now we go over to the effects tab, and here we just pull down the clarity a little bit to -30 to make it soft. And then of course we want to add grain to 29 in this case, and we are done here. And this is the look, guys. Here's a little before and after of that picture that you sent me, Visual by Ray. Thank you so much. I hope you like this result. I really love how it turns out. Such a high quality black and white edit. And also Mason, your picture from the tennis court right here, a little before and after. And also, I think this is a really great look. If you already have a great picture, but it doesn't really fit your feed on Instagram or anything like that, try to use that black and white edit, maybe even this Travis Scott one right here to make it match the feed. Now I've also created a preset on exactly this look. As I said in the beginning, it's on my website if you want to check it out. Link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets now, and the pack keeps growing, so you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week or every day. The pack is automatically updated every time I create new presets, so it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And don't forget to stop by my TikTok. As I said, I'm officially on that app now as well, just to save you some time, to give you those shortcuts to these edits that I do on YouTube. Make sure to check it out. Linked also under the video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if you need anything from me, if you want to send me some pictures to edit in these videos, or if you just have questions in general or ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I'll see you tomorrow, same time, in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.